Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best portable camping cooktop, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Camp Chef Mountain Series Kodiak High Output 2-Burner Camp Stove. Lid doubles as windscreen. Portable cooking stove for outdoor cooking. Brand Camp Chef. Fuel type butane. Material alloy steel, aluminum, plastic, stainless steel. Power source fuel powered. Item weight 13 pounds. Two 10,000 BTU stainless steel burners that has more power than standard home stoves. Boil, sear, and simmer with ease. Stainless steel drip tray making it easy cleanup, reducing mess and making maintenance effortless. Matchless ignition making it quick and reliable lighting in any conditions, no more fumbling with matches. Integrated carry handle designed for grab-and-go adventures, super portable. Folding lid with built-in windscreen to protect flames from wind, ensuring consistent cooking.
Number 2. Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 Outdoor Camp Stove. Portable cooktop with included cast iron grill and griddle accessories. 24,000 BTUs of power for camping, tailgating, grilling. Brand Coleman. Fuel type propane. Material blend. Power source propane. Maximum energy output 24,000 British thermal units. Item weight 15.8 pounds. More meal options. Removable cast iron grill and griddle accessories help you cook up a variety of seriously good food. Easy to transport, recessed carry handle, secure space to store regulator, and nylon carry case for accessories. Heavy-duty latch keeps the stove closed while traveling. Easy to clean, removable cast iron pan support and aluminized steel cooktop for quick cleanups. Improved cooking control, improved knob rotation for precise temperature and simmer control of 2 adjustable burners. Rotary ignition for quick, matchless lighting. Powerful stove, 24,000 total BTUs of cooking power. 2 wind guards, help shield burners and flame from wind. Size, fits 12-inch and 10-inch pan.
Number 3. Coleman Triton 2-Burner Propane Stove. Portable camping cooktop with 2 adjustable burners and wind guards. 22,000 BTUs of power for camping, tailgating, grilling, barbecue. Brand Coleman. Fuel type propane. Material alloy steel. Power source gas powered. Maximum energy output 22,000 British thermal units. Item weight 5 pounds. Portable. Easy addition to the campsite, picnic, roadside, and more. 2 wind guards help shield and protect burners from wind. Heavy-duty latch, easy to open and keeps the stove closed when not in use. Easy to clean. Durable chrome-plated grate is removable for easy cleanup. Improved knob rotation for precise temperature and simmering control of 2 independently adjustable burners. Powerful stove, 22,000 BTUs of cooking power. Size, fits 12-inch and 10-inch pan. Burn time, up to 1 hour on high on one 16-ounce propane cylinder.
Number 4. Coleman Triton Plus 2-Burner Propane Camping Stove with Insta-Start ignition. Portable camping cooktop with 2 adjustable burners and wind guards. 22,000 BTUs of power for camping, tailgating, grilling. Brand Coleman. Fuel type propane. Material alloy steel. Power source gas powered. Maximum energy output 22,000 British thermal units. Item weight 16 ounces. Portable. Built-in handle ensures easy transportation. Heavy-duty latch secures the stove when not in use. High control. Independent adjustable burners with perfect flow and perfect heat technology for precise temperature. Easy ignition. Push-button Insta-Start ignition for matchless lighting. Easy maintenance. Removable chrome-plated grate and rust-resistant aluminized steel cooktop. Wind protection. Dual wind guards to shield and protect burners from wind. Compact size. Accommodates 12-inch and 10-inch pans. Potent. 22,000 total BTUs of cooking power. Up to 1 hour burn time on high on one 16-ounce propane cylinder.
Number 5. Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Camping Grill Stove. 2-burner propane grill and stove with adjustable burners and 20,000 BTUs of power. Great for camping, tailgating, grilling. Brand Coleman. Special feature portable. Fuel type gas. 2-in-1 design so you can use the grill and stove at the same time. 130 square-inch grilling area, stove fits 10-inch pan, up to 20,000 total BTUs of cooking power. Perfect flow pressure regulator for consistent performance even in extreme conditions. Perfect heat technology offers more efficient cooking with less fuel. 2 adjustable burners for precise temperature control. Wind block panels shield burners from wind or fold down for use as side tables.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.